Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Python AI Lab. My name is Namira Sheikh and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Anaconda. So let me go with the first step. Open Anaconda, which is free to download. You don't have to be pay or something like that. So open a web browser. Here you have to type Anaconda. After typing Anaconda, click on the first website, which is anaconda.com, which is the official one. So as you can completed your first step opening the Anaconda. After that we have to choose the operating system. So here, as you can see, we have a three different option, one for Windows, one for Mac and one for Linux. So you can go according to your operating system. So I will go with Windows. As I click on Windows, they redirected me to this page. From here I'm going to start downloading my Anaconda installer by clicking on this 64-bit graphical installer. After clicking on it, my downloading start, but as of now I'm not going to click on it because I already have Anaconda. I already downloaded it. But you not have to be worried about it. I will show you each and every step. You not have to be worried. It's very simple steps. Once your download is completed, it will redirect you to the installation pages, right? So this is the installation pages look like. You have to click on next repeatedly. Then you will come across the option where they will ask you to select I agree for the license agreement. Okay, so you can click on I agree and continue clicking next. After clicking this, you will come to this page. Here you will get two different options. One is just me and the second in all user. Go with the just me by default. Click on it and go with next button by clicking the next button. After this, the next page will come. Here they will tell you to choose the location. By default you have to kept, or you want some new different location if you want, so you can browse it and click on the next button. After this page will open. Here you have to click the second option as my default Python and click on the install. After this page, the page will occur with the finish button. So click on the finish and your installation process is completely done. So as of now you have completed your Anaconda and download the installation. Now you have an Anaconda installer in your system. So you can check by typing Anaconda in a search button or a start button. Anaconda, as you can see here, you got the option Anaconda Navigator. It takes it sometimes, that's why I will already open it. After open the Anaconda Navigator, you will see there will be lots of options present, right? As you can see, Spider, VS Code, Orange 3, PyCharm. So it is up to you what options you have to go with, or in future you wanted to do some other platform. So this is easy with the Anaconda, as you get different platform in a one page, right? As of now we have to go with Jupyter, so click on the launch button. After launch the click button, they will redirect you to the Jupyter Notebook, or right here, or you can write Jupyter Notebook in a search bar, but they can directly redirect you after clicking the launch button. You not have to be type here, right? So we successfully opened Jupyter Notebook. As you can see, we have a different folders presents here, different files presents here. So, and as you can see, we have an option which is new. By clicking on it, we have the option Python 3. With Python 3, we create a new notebook, and beside this we have other options also, like text file, folder, terminal. So as of now, I am going to open Python folder. So in a Python folder, I already have one notebook. As you can see, info.ipnb. The name of my notebook, which is already present in this folder, is info, and notebook saved with the ipnb extension, right? So here I'm going to create a new notebook. So click on new, select Python 3. Yes, as you can see, I'm successfully open a new Jupyter notebook. Clicking on untitled, I get access to rename my notebook. So I'm going to keep first program as my new name. Right. So I hope you understood how to create a new notebook, how to open how to open the Jupyter notebook. So this box is called a cell. Here you can write your code, and after writing a code you can run, or with the help of control enter you can run your cell. But as of today's topics is completed, we have successfully downloaded and installed our Anaconda, and opened the Jupyter notebook and created a new Jupyter notebook. So I hope so you enjoy, you like my video. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found it informative and enjoyed it. So that's it for this video. Subscribe to my channel for the new video, for the next step. After the installation, we are going to start with the basic programs from the next video itself. So subscribe the channel and turn the notification bell icon so you can never miss a new uploaded video. So thank you so much once again for watching the video, and see you soon in the next video.